Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this dip powder nail design using Revel Nail and Azure Beauty dip powders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder, Cherael Sky Dark Pink, Azure Beauty Gold Dip Powder, and Revel Nail Black. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate the nails. So I'm applying one layer of clear to all of my nails. This is an optional step, but I like doing it. Especially on this design, I think it is necessary though, because we are using black and this black is trouble. So use it, okay? This is used as a protective layer for my natural nails, as well as a way to build a foundation to start my nails. Starting with the pinky nail, I'm applying base to the whole nail. Then I'm doing a chevron nail, so I start with the black dip powder and then I go in with the gold, and on the nail bed area is Cherael Sky Dark Pink, my favorite. I did 2 layers of that. So let's talk about Revel Nail Black Dip Powder, known as Barbara. I used this dip powder before, I'll link it in the cards, and I had a lot of trouble with it because it's really opaque and it bleeds on other colors. Now I said I would try again using it, and this is the time, guys. The bright side to this nail design is that Revel Black didn't bleed on the pink color, and really that's it. I tried to do a few color block designs with the dip powder and it didn't turn out good at all. I had to do it over or do something that didn't require me to be constantly dipping in the Revel Black dip powder. It's crazy how one dip powder could cause so much trouble. At the end, I will show a blooper in which I tried to do a color block and it turned out ridiculous. Just want to show evidence of how it doesn't work like other dip powders. You all don't have to watch it, but I like to have evidence for people to see, just in case someone wants to tell me different. I could refer them to my experience because everyone is different. Some people could have a different experience from me, which I highly doubt because that black dip powder is difficult. I think I'm done for the year with this black dip powder. That's it, I'm done. Only if I have to use it on its own, then I'll use it. But to use it with other colors is a hell no. This was my last straw. I can't, guys, I really can't. I guess every color has their place. Some are meant to play with others, and then there is Barbara, who likes no one. She wants to be the star of the show. I also wanted to get this design out before springtime. These dark colors are for the winter, and winter is almost finished. Time for bright colors and the pastel colors. Can't wait. This video is just to caution you guys and to let you all know about the products. Sometimes a bad experience for one could be a good experience for someone else. I'm just giving you my experience. However, Revel has some gorgeous dip powders. This one just seems to be the one I don't like, but try them out. They have some nice powders. So I spoke so much I didn't get to speak on the design, but it's self-explanatory, I guess. It's a nice design, you know, but the black didn't give the gold a chance to shine. It stained the gold dip powder so bad. Wow. It's not that noticeable, but I know how shiny the gold could be, and it's not shiny. It's not shining the way I know it could. but it's still nice and I still like it, and I'm proud of my pinky nail. The nail bed area is still pink, y'all. At least I did that right. I wonder if there are other blacks that don't lead like this one. This is my first dip powder black. The black I used before this was Mia Secret Black, and I don't remember it being like this. So if I have to go back to black, I might try another brand or buy another Mia Secret acrylic powder. I always like to do over a design with a dip powder that gave me some issues to see if it was just me and my poor decision or if it was the product. But I can probably say it wasn't me. So the chevron on the middle nail was a do-over. I did another cool design, but it didn't come out right because of the black, and I also did the cool design on the thumb, and that didn't come out right either. So I had to do it over. Well, actually I had to do something a bit simpler than I really wanted to. The design on the thumb is what I'll be showing at the end. I'll be showing you what a disaster it turned out to be first. The second time I did it, it came out okay, but I really wanted to do the first design that I did, but that wasn't working out. I knew what I was getting myself into though, but I'm still mad it didn't come out how I wanted it to. I analyzed the color and figured out ways to use it that would not result in shit happening, but shit still happened, man. This black is too much. At least I troubleshooted enough to result in the nail bed area of the pinky nail staying pink. The rest was out of my control. But if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button down below to let me know what you think, and also comment your thoughts as well. Let me know if you have ever used Revel Black and how it turned out for you. So I'm done ranting, I think. I'm not going to be explaining these designs because y'all are visual learners, I hope. And these designs, especially the one on the ring finger and the index finger, I came up with. I might do it over with the powders that would appreciate the beauty of the style and not mess it up. The black doesn't appreciate shit, man. So what's coming up on my channel, please the Lord, is some really nice color block designs. I'm also going to be doing glow in the dark dip powders. Hopefully I should be, yes, because I've already purchased the dip powders, so I'm just waiting on them now. Someone requested that I do some glow in the dark dip powder design, so that's what I'll be doing soon, very soon. So stay tuned for that, okay guys? So I encapsulated the nails with 3 layers of clear dip powder. Then I applied activator and waited a while, then began filing. So this is after filing of the nails. Now decisions. Which top coat should I choose? Well, I chose the Model 1's top coat. And since I chose that top coat, I do not have to apply activator. However, if I wanted to use a dip powder top coat, I would have to use the activator and wait a while, then go in with 2 layers of dip powder top coat. But for this design, I needed the shine since the black disappointed me yet again. I didn't want to worry about dry time either. This is a nice design, but it's the finishing touches that is missing. What makes a design look nice is just the neatness of the design, and this design doesn't have it. I know that, but it's not my fault. This black is hard AF to work with. But I just wanted to show you guys and give the powder another try. Everything deserves a second try, okay guys? So after I waited for it to cool down, I applied cuticle oil. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like it, and stay tuned for the blooper if you want to see the craziness, the mess. Oh my gosh. So this is me applying base to my thumbnail, and I wanted to do a nice color block design. I did what I usually do. I dip into the powder and leave it in for 5 seconds and then do the same for the rest, but it didn't work for the black, and this is the result. Just confusion. I can't even understand what the hell I was trying to do. Salt for me, I guess. That's okay. I'll just not use the black again. That's it for the year. Yes, I'm being so dramatic. So you guys see that? Look at confusion. Now I'm going to show you it with 2 coats. Confusion AF. Bye guys.